let's make some saucy 3-cup chicken. For the meat, we'll be using chicken thighs and drumsticks. Cut them into pieces. I like to cut my drumsticks in half and my chicken thighs in quarters. Sear the chicken on medium to high heat. Once it's gained some color, take it off the heat. So the main reason why this dish is called 3-cup chicken is that it uses 3 main liquids to bring out its flavor. First up being sesame oil, then soy sauce, and lastly, rice wine. And if you don't have rice wine, feel free to replace with a dry sherry. Now on low heat in the same pan, we'll be adding in a tablespoon of sesame oil, specifically the darker variant, also known as toasted sesame oil. For the garlic lovers out there, this is going to be a happy day because we'll be putting in 2 whole bulbs of garlic into the pan. Let it cook for up to 5 minutes or until the garlic looks something like this. Then we'll be ramping up the heat to medium and putting back the chicken. Then we'll be throwing in a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup rice wine, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then we'll be adding in dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is mainly there for the color and a little bit of the flavor. So we'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of that. If you don't have dark soy sauce, feel free to add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and up to 2 to your preferred liking. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Once the 5 minutes are up, we'll be throwing in roughly 30 grams of basil. Traditionally we use Thai basil, but since I don't have any of that, regular basil will just have to do. Now lastly, to finish off, we'll be thickening our sauce with a bit of cornstarch. Just throw a little bit in at a time until you reach your desired consistency. And there we have it. You gotta have it with some rice. It's a match made in heaven. Cheers. Oh yeah. Also, pour some sauce into the rice. It's absolutely incredible.